Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel MathX World. Students, today we will learn how to find cube root of any number. We have to find cube root of 2744. So let's start. First step is we have to find prime factors of 2744. So let's start. We start with 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, and 14, 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4. Again with 2, 2 6 are 12, 17, 2 eights are 16, and 12 to 6 are 12. Again with 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6. Now with 7, 7 fours are 28, and we are left with 6, 63. 7 nines are 63. 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7. So students, cube root of 2744 is equal to cube root of its prime factors, which are 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. Now students, what we have to do? We have to make pairs of prime factors. 1, 2, 3. 2 3 times that we can write is 2 power 3 multiplied by 7 be 3 times that we can write is 7 power 3. Now, power and cube root will cut. We are left with 2 into 7. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. So, students, cube root of 2744 is equal to 14. Hopefully, students, you get the point. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.